Zach, is he okay, Zach? You check if he's okay. Give him a kiss. Come on, you give him a kiss. His cousin Bamboo. Yeah, he fell. I think it's okay. Ganahan siya kaya playmate. Oh, Zachary fell. Oh no. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, there, Bamboo. Oh, that's so sweet.
Very sweet naman.
Hug daw, be. Hug. Hug, be. Hug. Oh. Hug, be. Hug.
Hug, Bamboo, hug.
Bamboo, is he okay, Bamboo? Is he okay? Rub the back. Oh, that's so sweet.